Brownie! Brownie refuses to come in and when it's raining. Waiting for Mama to come home. There's Daisy. Caused some trouble. Daisy! You troublemaker. How about you, Brownie? You a troublemaker? There's the real troublemaker. Brownie looking for trouble. Or Daisy, I mean. Did you just bite that fly or bee? You bit it, didn't you? Wasn't a bee, just a beetle. Brownie! You gonna come in? Or are we gonna just sit out in the rain? I'll just lay here and enjoy the rain, I guess. Daisy too. She's just gonna sit up and enjoy the rain. Oh well. Today I was able to cut all the pieces needed for the corners of my metal roof on my shed. Found all these pieces. There were actually 10-foot 6 lengths, and it worked perfectly to cut them down to 42 inches each. Ended up with more than I needed. By doing this, I can actually put the pieces that have a smooth edge towards the bottom and the cut edge up towards the top. Just gotta paint them green to match the rest of my roof on the shed, and that'll keep the water away from the wood. These are not made for what I'm using them for, but it's just a little shed. I'm not really worried about it. I'm just gonna put a couple 2x4s on the face of the building and take this lip and go over the metal roofing to keep the rain from running down the building. With 2x4s, it should be enough space between this lip here and the building for the rain to not run down the wood siding. And then I can get my house wrap on there and get it all sealed up for now until I decide how to side it. But just thought I'd make a little update and how I was gonna finish off that and make it look a little nicer and a little more protected from the weather. I just gotta paint these green. I think I'm gonna paint them green. I got green paint left over from touching up the metal roof, so a couple cans. I'll just paint these and that'll be good enough. For a shed, it don't have to be perfect. Thanks for watching.